Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to prepare hibiscus hair oil. Hibiscus flowers have been very popular in South Indian culture for ages for their hair growth properties. Hibiscus hair oil helps you to have faster hair growth and also it conditions your scalp. It also very good for dry hair and it naturally smoothens your hair. By that way you can achieve a smooth and shiny hair. So let's quickly begin. The ingredients are hibiscus flowers and virgin coconut oil. I have kept the kadai on low flame. I am pouring around 500 ml of coconut oil which is equivalent to 2 cups. I am using coconut oil as a base oil here. The oil is hot by now. I am going to add 20 to 30 flowers of hibiscus. Coconut oil has a molecular structure that makes it easier to herbs infuse completely. Coconut oil helps for moisture retention to hydrate your scalp and acts as a softener and moisturizer for your hair. Keep stirring. You can add the flowers batch-wise. Make sure that the flame is kept at the lowest. After 10 to 12 minutes, switch off the flame. Allow the flowers to infuse into the oil for 8 hours. All over the scalp and hair length and leave it all overnight. Wash it next morning. Use it at least 2 times in a week. Now you can see that the oil color has changed and flowers have lost its color. Sieve it into a clean jar or a bowl. Here is our hibiscus oil is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video useful, make sure that you share with your friends and family and also subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you don't miss out any new video. See you all very soon. Till then, bye.